Welcome back, and thanks for tuning in. This video is going to be about Sonax Multistar Universal Cleaner. It came in the June 2023 glove box subscription box. Frankly, I never heard of this product, but Sonax makes a lot of stuff. They're German. Actually, they make some pretty good stuff. Their wheel cleaner is excellent if you've never tried it, and their glass cleaner is also one of the best out there too. So Sonax Multistar Universal Cleaner is a powerful universal cleaner for most interior and exterior vehicle surfaces, maximum cleaning power featuring the best material compatibility. So I'm interpreting this as being a probably a weaker all-purpose cleaner, because it seems like it's safe for a lot of stuff. It says here it's a pre-cleanser for the intensive cleaning of heavily soiled surfaces before car wash. Removes grease, oil, gasoline, diesel, grime quickly and effortlessly from glass, paintwork, and plastics. Cleans rubber tires and wheel wells. So it gives you directions on how to use it on exterior and also interior. It says it can even remove even the most stubborn stains from roof linings, interior trims, cloth seats, textiles, carpets, and plastic surfaces. So we're going to be using this on my wife's 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. She's not into taking cars as well as I am, but this vehicle we did not buy brand new, but it used to be a rental vehicle in Hawaii before we got it. So it's got some weirdness about the back bumper. She's wanting to get a aftermarket back bumper because we do have an aftermarket front bumper on it. We just haven't done it yet because I don't know whether the sun in Hawaii did something to plastic or did it get damaged when it was a rental car and the rental car company repainted it or something. There's something weird going on. That's been going on for a while. And no matter what I put on the bumper, it doesn't seem to have a consistent finish. So I'm just wondering if it got damaged in Hawaii and then the rental car company fixed it or tried to fix it. So it's very dirty. Starting to give this stuff a go. See how it does on exterior trim, since that's on the list of things they can work on. As you can see, this is very dirty here. So we'll let it soak for a bit. It says you can use it for pre-treats. I imagine you can use it for bugs too. Or if you've been on the, I don't know, drag racing your car or doing burnouts and you got rubber down the back sides of your car. So we let it soak in there. You give it a rub so it takes off here. Yeah, what this white stuff is, I have no idea. You know, Chrysler sometimes doesn't do the best plastics. Chrysler and Ford seem to be the worst about their plastics not holding up over time, but this, like I say, this bumper's got some weirdness. And of course, Jeeps, their fenders are known for fading. Now, her fenders are actually pretty decent for having been in Hawaii for 2 years. You know, the Jeep was 2 years old when we got it. So, and then we'll take this damp towel, and just wipe down, neutralize whatever the all-purpose cleaner is that's in there. So definitely did clean it, and how much it improved it, that's a little debatable. So looks like an interesting product. I have to try it on some different surfaces, see how it did. But you can see where this is flaking off. It looks like something's happened. They've refinished it somehow or another. Yeah, usually you don't see black plastic because it might have metal underneath it, but it's got plastic on top, and there's some weirdness there. So the directions mention cleaning wheel wells. So we'll do like a test spot on this wheel well. Let it soak in here. Now how, pH, alkaline or acidic, whatever this may be, not quite sure. But letting it soak according to the directions. So where I've got this vehicle, I also have my Ram truck that has four-wheel drive. It has a 1-inch lift from the factory on it. You can see the wheel wells. These are on it. This might be a good product for pre-treating the wheel wells. And actually, on the wheel wells, it did a really nice job. Well, you can see. And it doesn't smell bad. I don't know if I call it, it has a sweeter smelt. I don't know if I called it citrus or what, but it looks like it's actually done a pretty good job on cleaning the wheel wells. A guy on YouTube mentioned that he tried it on his tires. It didn't seem to work that great. I might try it on tires at some point, see how it does, but seems to be an okay product. It's not something I would have thought to have bought, but then that's one of the things about Glovebox that's cool is you will try, they'll send you stuff to try that you would have never bought yourself. And I've had some products I would probably never get again. I also had some products that actually turned out really cool. So as you can see, it's starting to dry out, and it's back to, you know, being the black plastic, but it is definitely cleaner than what it was. And I do have from Adams their wheel well dressing stuff. I can't remember what it was called, where you put it on it. It's a lot of silicone in it. You put it in there and it makes your wheel wells glossy on these four-wheel drive vehicles. So, but anyway, I did a good job cleaning the dirt off. Definitely looks way better than what it did. So, interesting product. I have to try it for different uses. So, yeah, Glovebox sent me a product to play with. Like I said, I would have never bought this before if I saw it on their website, but gives me a chance to experiment and try it on different things. And like I said, I've actually rebought some products from that I got from them that I would have never bought in the first place, but I tried them and liked them so much, bought another one. So anyhow, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. If you like these kind of videos, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.